Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Support. Today, we are going to discuss a useful tool which is called Microsoft Edge. It is a browser application which is used to access internet. But do you know, besides surfing, it also contains a feature of AI tool. It is known as Copilot in general. It may be pre-enabled or may be needed to be enabled within your browser. If you are lacking this feature of Windows, you may enable it by installing Microsoft Edge from online source. Download link is added in the description. So guys, let's get started. For this, I am launching my Microsoft Edge browser. We need to open it first. In the right above corner, you can see some icon like this. You can enable it by using the following steps. Let's move to the settings option to get it enabled for you. You would find setting at the right corner below in sidebar. Alternate option of accessing setting it to find three dots like this to find setting. It would open a setting tab for you. Just click on options and click sidebar from left pane to enable Copilot. Under the section app and notification settings, you can find app specific settings and Copilot within it. This section helps to customize the sidebar of Edge sidebar window. If the sidebar is not appearing, you could enable it by choosing Show Sidebar option. So now enable Show Copilot option to access option easily from App Dashboard. As soon as this option would be enabled, you would find a CO Pilot option at the top of sidebar is now enabled. Just click on it. After clicking, a chat window would appear. Now, you would usually find three types of conversation style within Copilot tool. But here I could only access single type more balanced option. In order to enable more precise and more creative style, we would require to reset the Copilot feature. It could be accessed under the settings pane below. Reset setting would set all the values of the browser to default, which would enable you to access all the options. Let's look it into action. For this, again, go to settings in the left pane. You would find reset settings option. Select reset setting option. Under this, go to reset settings to their default values. It would provide you to options in the dialog box. One is reset, which would completely reset your browser settings to default. Another is cancel button, which is not of any use for us. Choose reset option from that dialog box. Just restart your browser again. Now open your Copilot tool again. Boom, it is now offering you all the creative conversation styles for your convenience. Now you can access extended option for this tool. You may choose more creative option to ensure some detailed information about the search topic for provided prompt by user. Balanced conversation style is also better, but it may be very buggy if someone wants to have some better results for their searches. However, more precise is second best option to choose after balanced and before creative conversation style. It is usually taken and used to find link of the sources for the content from where it is taken. So let's search any topic on any context. Let's begin with knowing about Gemini, a new emerging alternate to ChatGPT. I would also explore this tool in my next video. So, guys, it's all for this video. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned to my channel for some more informative videos like this.